right here, bad boys. Today's shoe. My shoe. When we walking out of here in about 10 minutes. Need these in a 10 and a half. Maybe we want to go holler at the guy and get to him, you know what I mean? Let's go, come on, follow me. Let me get this shoe right now. Hi, how you doing tonight? Can I get these in a 10 and a half here? Thank you very much. That's all we do, that was big. That boy right there. Air bubble, like I told you. That's how we're doing it today. What a print. And that's that. And I'll show you, this is the shoe junkie moment where you don't like to do it, but you gotta do it. You get that card out. Bam. Plastic. $2 on our jeans. That's all we have to do it though. Thanks for letting me come here, by the way. Yeah, well, thank you. I'll sign this little paper and then skid that. I'm gonna go party in these. Gold shoelaces, in case you want shoelaces like that. That's all we do though. Okay, thank you very much. And that's that. Beautifully done. Come on. No, it's cool. I love them like this. Just know something we all want is shoes in life. Shit, I don't know. It clears my pockets every weekend right here. You know what I mean? We don't know how it's gonna be, but once you get your shoes, it's all worth it at the end, baby. All right, cut, man.